my two sunflowers, the Queen Violet and the Goldie Honey Bear. The Goldie Honey Bear was in a different corner of the garden, but I moved it over here because I could tell this one was growing a lot taller. So I moved it over here to get the same amount of sun and catch up in growth. Now that they're taken off, I feel like they're growing quickly. Then right next to it is the Black Beauty. We actually have one. See if you can see it better from that angle. And then we're close to getting a white marigold. I truly did not think they were going to grow this tall. So, oh, we have another Black Beauty right there. And then this is my Bella Rosa and the little marigold. This is my Roma and a white marigold. You can see we're getting Romas already. My indigo blue chocolate, we barely have flowers, so not really any fruit yet. My Sweet Million, we are getting, if you can see back there, little tiny cherry tomatoes already. This is going to be a cluster. And then this is the Marglobe one. I don't know why it is a whole bush, but I should probably come out here and prune it. We do have little Marglobes, some there, and then one here if you can see it. And then the last one is the Black Creme. We have an ugly one coming in there. I can tell it's going to be ugly. And then we have another one coming in here. And then for this row, this is a Roma plant. This is probably my biggest tomato so far, this Roma right here. There's another one back there. And this is the other Marglobe. It's a baby Marglobe. This is the other Bella Rosa. We're barely getting blooms. And then these are my two Guajillos. My Guajillo peppers are growing like the biggest, the strongest, the best, the fastest. And I just took these seeds from store-bought chilies. So that's the garden the first week of May.